Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to install Python 3.11.1 on Windows 10 and 11. Complete guide updated. Installing Python 3.11.1 on your Windows is a straightforward process. So you'll just need to follow this step-by-step guide to set up Python on your system and whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer. So first, you'll just need to head onto your local browser and type in there python.org/downloads. So you'll get redirected in here onto the homepage wherein it will go ahead and give you the latest version of Windows. So Windows is currently on 3.13.1. So I have this installed onto my system already, and this tutorial is also perfect if you're gonna downgrade your Python version. So you'll just need to scroll down in here and you should be able to see all of the specific release. So if you're looking for something in here or a specific release, we have that one here within the release version. So we'll just need to go ahead and scroll until we find 3.11.1 in here. So we have that here, and that one is released on December 6, 2022. So we'll just need to download that one. So as you can see in here, we'll get more information regarding this. And to download this, we have the different files here onto the bottom part. So just scroll down. So if you're on Windows, so you'll just have to choose which system you're on. So I'm on 64-bit, and this is also the recommended one. So we'll have to click onto this and wait for the download to proceed. So as you can see, it is downloading already. You'll just need to open our command prompt in here, and let's try to see which current version I'm in already. So you'll just have to type it in here, Python version. So paste it just like that, click on enter. And as you can see, the current version that I have is 3.13.1. So we're going to go ahead and downgrade that. So as you can see, Python is already installed. We'll just have to click onto this one to run the installation. So you should be able to see the same screen onto your end to install Python 3.11.1 64-bit. So just make sure that this one is toggled on the add python.exe to path. Then click on install now. So you could also choose to customize the installation to choose location and different features for that, but I'm going to choose this one, and we'll just have to wait for this one to be done. Now, once the setup was complete and successful, it should show you a message just like this. So we'll just have to close that one out and open command prompt again, and then we'll try to check if the Python version has changed. So we're going to go ahead and type in again in here this following command line to check the current Python version that we're in. So type in Python -- version, click on enter, and as you can see, instead of 3.13 or the version that we have earlier, it has changed to 3.11.1. Now, if you haven't installed pip, pip is Python's package manager and comes pre-installed with Python. So to confirm it is installed as well, just go ahead and paste this line, click on enter. And if pip is not installed or needs an update, you'll just have to type in this following line, python-m, ensure pip, then upgrade. Click on enter, and this should go ahead and update your pip in there. Now, as you can see, it is showing that requirements are already satisfied and that one is good to go. So we'll just need to go ahead and type in this to ensure that Python is added to the system path. So just type in Python in there and click on enter, and you'll see something like this again. So since we've typed in that one already, it will run the Python interactive shell, and then we're just gonna type in a simple command in here that says hello Python with a version, just like this. Click on enter, and you should be able to receive back the message again. And that is just basically it. You have successfully installed Python 3.11.1 on Windows 10 or 11. Start coding and explore the vast Python ecosystem. If you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.